Thank you so much for joining us at Milton Keynes College's online event. I would love to have welcomed you in person to our college campuses, but we're not quite there yet in terms of open access. Together these online resources so that you can learn more about the college and see if it might be the right choice for you. Just like if you were coming onto our campuses, please feel free to take your time visiting all of the areas that interest you. We have online tutors, videos, as well as information about the support that's available to our learners. There are question and answer sessions running through the morning, and you can speak to tutors about any particular questions that you have. And some areas have actually got live demonstrations going on, so do look out for them, particularly draw your attention to engineering, construction and science, where they've got some really exciting things to show you. If you've got any questions about absolutely anything to do with the college or your future career, you can also use our live chat function to talk to a member of our team. And that really will be a human. It's not a chat bot. There are colleagues waiting to hear from you. So please do use that function. Our apprenticeship team today will also be showcasing current vacancies as well as sharing with you anything you might want to know about apprenticeships. And we really do work with the best employers in Milton Keynes, those who are really serious about developing careers for young people. So do have a look at that, even if apprenticeships is not something you thought you were interested in. We've got the learning support team on hand too, if there are any particular needs that you have that you want to talk about to see how the college can support you, and they'll be really happy to hear from you this morning. We're really hoping that we will be able to have a face-to-face open event at some point soon. And if you've registered for the event today, we will be in contact with you to let you know when that happens. So it would be great to see you on campus. It's certainly been uplifting to see our students coming back onto campus over the last few weeks, and we can't wait to meet our new students. Even if you haven't completely made up your mind about what you want to do after your GCSEs, I would encourage you to put an application into the college, because once you've applied, you can start to talk to various different people about what you hope to achieve, what you want your career to be, and we can help you get there. And we're also running this year, following the success of last year, an offer guarantee. So once you're into the application system and you've made contact with us and you're starting to talk to us, then we will make sure there is a place for you in September on the right course in the right area that's going to help you achieve your ambitions. Have a great morning this morning, and I look forward to meeting you in person as soon as we possibly can.